Carpet and Flooring. Jika rumah anda perlukan hiasan, dapatkan carpet dan flooring dengan harga berpatutan. Kualiti
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
Come, can have a look at all our carpets here.
So nice.
Hmm.
What type of carpets you have over here?
So we have varieties of carpet over here. Modern design. And we also have classical design. So all of our carpets we have from Turkey, Iran, Belgium. There's a lot more lah. Sizes pun we have a lot. We have from living to dining to bedroom size, kecil, besar, semua kita ada. You follow me, I show you more carpets.
Okay.
Situ lagi ada banyak carpet.
Oh, wow.
Ya. Kalau you nak modern, sini ada. Persian situ pun ada.
Wah. Banyak betul carpet you. You ada carpet besar tak?
Ada?
Carpet bulat?
Ada.
What about carpet handmade?
Ada.
Carpet kecil?
Ada.
Runner?
Adalah.
What about carpet yang berbulu?
Ada? Kita ada banyak kapet. You kalau datang bulan Ramadan ni, kita ada macam-macam lagi kapet. Kita ada macam-macam promotion. We will set up a tentage outside so you can come down here and you boleh tell your family and friends.
Wah. Last question. You ada carpet terbang?
Ha?
HD Carpet and Flooring. Jika rumah anda perlukan hiasan, dapatkan carpet dan flooring dengan harga berpatutan. Kualiti terbaik, showroom besar, banyak pilihan. Layanan mesra buat anda tergoda. Mari belilah, rumah tak berseri tanpa AHD. AHD Carpet and Flooring 63621662.